Good morning, everyone, and welcome to week 8. We're about halfway through the semester this week, and you should be working on a draft of your rhetorical analysis. If you scroll to week 8 in our Google Classroom, you'll see that I have 2 readings for you in the week 8 media. They both have to do with interacting with source material, which is critical to this class, so make sure you pay careful attention and that you're thinking about these resources when you're drafting your paper. Secondly, you're going to engage in the small group workshop. Like the large group workshop we did last week, but you'll be doing it with a small group of peers. I want you to focus on the workshop, on noticing what the writer is doing well and questions that you have. Noticing errors is the really easy part, so make sure you're extending what you are considering important to notice in this workshop. And finally, by Saturday, I'd love for you to send me a rough draft of your rhetorical analysis. I know it's just going to be a rough start, but I think that'll put you in a much better spot going forward. I won't have time to fully respond, but at least I can let you know if you're moving in the right direction. So this can look more like an outline, but I really want to see what the purpose or the thesis statement of your paper is, some of the sources you think you'll be interacting with, and the main ideas in each body paragraph. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm happy to meet with you. Have a great week, and if you're behind on something, keep in mind that next week is spring break, so this is a great chance, if you're behind, to get caught up on things. I hope everyone has a great day.